Hi all. Now we are going to write a program to check whether the given number is Armstrong number or not. Right, first of all I would like to read that number which I would like to convert integer type int of input of enter a number. So which I am storing in the variable called n. Then I will be declaring summation to be 0, right, some value to be 0. Then I would like to have a temporary variable which I would like to store the value of n, because n value will change during the program while I am being operating with the temporary variable greater than 0, sorry, until temporary variable is greater than 0. Temporary means the n value. So I would like to calculate individual digit is equals to temporary variable percentile 10. We will get individual digit here. Now I would like to calculate summation. Sum is equals to sum plus Armstrong number, right, digit multiplied by digit multiplied by digit. Sir, why I am doing this? I will explain within short. Temporary variable is equals to temp double divided by, which is used to return quotient value after dividing the given value. That is what the thing. This is what the while loop with us. If n double equals to sum, or sorry, I had taken s, then if n is equals to s, we can say print of given number is Armstrong. I will define what is Armstrong now. Else print given number n is not Armstrong. Right here also your number n is Armstrong. Okay. So here what is Armstrong number means a number like 153 whose individual digits are 1, 5, 3. Their cubes sum, 1 cube is 1 plus 5 cube is 125 plus 3 cube is 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, which is equals to the number same called 153. Hence we call it as an Armstrong number. 153 whose individual digits are 1, 5, 3. Then we are making their cubes. 1 cube is 1, 5 cube is 125, 3 cube is 27. Hence its sum is 153. If we get such kind of numbers, we will say those numbers are Armstrong. Right? Let us save the program. Program 3.py. It's an extension called py. Run module. It will ask us to enter a number. I will be giving 407. So 407 is also Armstrong number, because 4 cube is 64, 0 cube is always 0, 7 cube is 343, 343 plus 4 cube, that is 64, which equivalents to 407. So I can show you 64 plus 0 plus 343, which is 407. That is what the Armstrong number. That's all in this program. Thank you.